I'm Hester Bolle. I'm a classical violinist and I use electronics and sound design to play and also to compose electronic music. A few years ago, I researched a bit into climate data that people have been trying to sonify and make compositions of. And I thought, well, this residency really is a unique opportunity to really dive into the world of data. It's not very visible. I think it's really nice to put it together with my own instrument, the violin, which I create a lot of texture with. It can convey emotion, make you want to dance or make you want to cry or laugh. So both sides of looking at music are very interesting, I think.